Hello, testing. Hello, everybody. We're in another trade. Today is the 8th of May, so I haven't taken a trade in quite a while. But today I've seen my setup again. I am trading the AM session, so at 3:30 England time, which would make that 10:36 in Eastern time. So, going off the other day, when I took a trade. When did I take a trade? Let me look at the log quickly. So I took one on the 30th of April, and it was a short on per hour. Where are we? 30th of April. So it was here. Our trade was somewhere down here. I'm not going to go over lower time frames because it'll take me back to the front. I've got to find this area again. My bias was completely correct, and price did end up shooting lower. Although I remember this being quite a risky trade, so taking a trade that wasn't my setup was risky in itself, and it only relying on a 5-minute SIBI, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it was quite risky, so I took the win, and I did think about it after that. To be honest, I shouldn't have taken this trade at all because it wasn't part of my plan. Although I was correct, yeah, I should have avoided it. It will hindrance my ability to follow my plan in the future. So, just something to keep aware of. Good thing we took the win though, of course, but yes, a note for next time. And so this trade here, I am aiming for these equal highs that were created in the London session. So I've taken a long. That's my area of liquidity that I want price to be swept. So my draw, essentially. And the reason price started going up is because it came down on the 4 hour, filled this gap, and we wicked up hard. So that is a bullish enough confluence for me to be seeking longs. The one thing that does concern me about this trade is the fact that in the hourly, we literally wicked up, filled the gap, and started wicking. That's the only concern for me, but I still believe that, so this was probably an area of draw for price action. I don't believe that it has one lower than here, because on the 4 hour we wicked really hard. So I believe that this gap here at lowest down to the bottom is a neutral. So when it came in, I took my entry, and yeah, still aiming for these highs. I think Nasdaq is yet to take them as well. So that's always good with both the pairs being correlated, not having one taken and one not. NQ as well, not NQ, sorry, Dow. We did take this high here, but the idea for Dow is bullish. It's sort of the only reason I look at Dow. If price is just bullish as well as these two, which to me it does look like. It's not like moving in an opposite direction and fucking doing any bullshit. So yeah, this is my idea for today. Win, loss, also the same. We're just following the strategy. And my setup has come up, so my job today is to execute. Hello. So, I don't know what happened to the audio of the rest of the video. It's obviously just got fucked or something, but essentially, you can see what happened. Price came down, tagged me out, and then we started moving up. Uh, Today isn't the same day I took this trade, and from what I remember with price action, it did carry on going down. So either way, I would have been stopped out. Even though it looks like I just got ticked out. The annoying part of this trade was, of course, the fact that we were one tick away from taking TP, but it happens. It was, in my opinion, a bad PA day. The next couple of days, we did end up taking those highs, so I don't think I was wrong whatsoever. I think I was right. I played my setup correctly. I took the trade, did everything correctly. And it was just one of those trades, I suppose, that just, one tick away, and you end up hitting stop loss. But it is what it is, and I will see you guys in the next episode.